Russell. Russell's never in my video. Say bye. Russell, say bye to them. Bye. You look so sad. Russell, why you look so sad? He's not made for the camera, apparently. Hey guys, it's Melanie. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some outfit inspiration because I haven't done one of these videos in quite some time. I was going to do kind of like a summer outfit ideas, but I already did one of those. And so, as you guys have probably seen, and if you follow me on Vsco and like Pinterest and stuff, you know this whole trend with like the Vsco girls is really in. Some people love it, some people hate it. I'm kind of here for it, and honestly, that's kind of just like how I've been dressing. It's just like a really super casual, kind of trendy, I don't know. It's like the new Tumblr girl. Today I am showing you guys 10 outfits, so I don't want to talk too long. If you want to see more outfit inspiration, I always post my outfits on my Instagram at Melanie_Locke, so make sure to follow me there. And on my other socials, if you want to see more outfit videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what other outfit inspiration you guys would want to see. And other than that, let's get straight into outfits. This first outfit is pretty much the ultimate Vsco girl outfit, or like the basic Vsco girl outfit, if you know what I'm saying. It's just the classic baggy t-shirt, kind of looks like I'm not wearing pants, but I swear I am outfit. These white shorts are from Lululemon. My shoes are just some slip-on white Vans. This oversized tee is from Life is Good, but I thrifted it. And then, of course, I had to stack on a ton of bracelets and accessories. Just got some scrunchies on there, some puka shell necklaces, DIY'd one, and the other one's from Hawaii. Second outfit is Vsco girl with a touch of Brandy Melville in there. This is something I could definitely see myself wearing during the summer if I want to look a little bit cute, you know what I'm saying? Denim shorts are from Shein, I believe. My shoes are just some Nike Air Force Ones. This hoodie I actually DIY'd myself. The hoodie itself was thrifted, and then I just ironed on the little butterfly patch. My belt is thrifted as well. This necklace is from Shop Olive Lynn, and I like to style my hoodies like this a lot. When they're kind of oversized, I'll just tuck it into my bra or whatever I'm wearing so that it looks a little bit cropped and you just don't look so like homeless, I guess. I don't know. This third outfit is for if you want to look a little more put together, a little bit on the girly side as well. I'm just wearing this super cute little baby doll dress that I got from Forever 21. I love the like ruffled tier because then you can literally eat whatever you want. It's so comfortable. It's like I'm wearing a baggy t-shirt, but it looks cute. For my shoes, I'm just wearing some high top Converse. And then to accessorize, I'm wearing this super adorable flower choker. Actually, it's not a choker. Flower necklace from Shop Olive Lynn, and this floral scrunchie that I DIY'd myself. For this next outfit, we are back to the basic Vsco girl once again, but this one gives me a little bit more of those camp vibes. I'm wearing this huge t-shirt that I thrifted. I really like this one. I just like the color of it, I think, and the design. I don't know, it's cool. I'm wearing these denim shorts underneath, which you can't even see, so they don't really matter, but they're from Hollister, I believe. Of course, we have all the accessories once again. I have the same shell necklaces on. I love that combo. And then I have a bunch of bracelets. They're from various places. And then I also have my Birkenstocks, of course. On to the fifth outfit. This one is inspired by a photo that I actually saw on Pinterest, and I really like how it turned out. This is super adorable and kind of beachy looking, but you look chill but also a little put together. This ruffled white skirt, you can't really see it, but it has really small polka dots on it, and it's like a chiffon material, is from Princess Polly. I love it because it has pockets. How amazing is that? This top that literally everyone has, the little little cinched whatever top, is from Brandy Melville. I have my shell necklace on again, another shell bracelet, and my Locke bracelet, which, you know, that used to be trendy. And then I also have some white Birkenstocks on. This next outfit, number 6, I don't even know, is a little bit on the edgy side. Not really at all. As you can tell, I'm not an edgy person. But, you know, we have the checkered bands, so we're kind of there. I just have this graphite-ish, it just looks like a not distressed, it looks like a washed out black tee, but it's actually new, haha. It's from Aritzia. And then I have these distressed denim shorts that I thrifted, but they're from PacSun. I have the same thrifted belt that I wear all the freaking time, the same stacks of bracelets on, of course, accessorizing. And then I also have this super cute star choker, which is from none other than Brandy Melville. And then, as I said, I'm wearing my checkered bands. Outfit number 7, I think. I honestly can't count. This one is a little bit on the girly side. I really like how it turned out. I think it's very adorable. It's also very simple, so you can totally switch things up with this. I'm just wearing this pink corduroy skirt that I thrifted, but it is by Brandy Melville. I'm wearing the checkered bands again, but, you know, this time not quite so edgy. I also have this white tube top on that is also from Brandy Melville. I am quite the Brandy hoe in this outfit. I did not even notice. And then I have this necklace that's also from Brandy. Okay, that's cool. And for some odd reason, I honestly must have forgotten, I am not wearing any stacked bracelets. Surprise. Outfit number 8, it looks like we have reverted back to the oversized baggy t-shirt and Birkenstocks look, which, you know, I'm not mad about. We all need those days. So I'm just wearing this Brandy t-shirt that says Colorado. It's kind of random. I've never been to Colorado, but I like it. And then I'm wearing some Nike running shorts. Of course, we have all of those accessories. Once again, we're not surprised. And then I also have black Birkenstocks, just because I wanted to show off the fact that I have 3 pairs of Birkenstocks, I guess. You know, it kind of looks like I'm in pajamas in this outfit, but you know, that's what a Vsco girl is. Now we are coming to a close here. I like to call this outfit the I want to be a cute grandpa, aka I'm wearing my grandma's clothes, aka I'm a thrifter and I want you to know that outfit. These shorts are mom jean shorts from PacSun, but I actually thrifted them, which was pretty cool. The same thrifted belt that I always freaking wear. I love it. The same black Birkenstocks that I just wore because, you know, we love Birkenstocks, okay? And then this is like an up close of the shirt. It was a very oversized button up, is that what it's called? Whatever, you know, it was like a grandpa shirt, okay? And then I cropped it, you know, did a little DIYing. I believe it's in a thrift flip, so go check that out. And then I'm also just wearing a little choker that kind of shows through, which I really like. For the 10th and final outfit, we are back to those camp counselor summer camp vibes, and of course we had to get the chacos in this video. So I'm just wearing these black Lululemon Aligns, aka my favorite pants ever because it feels like butter. I roll them, which I know people make fun of me for that, but I like rolling them, okay? I thrifted this oversized t-shirt. This necklace is from Shop Olive Lynn, and then I have the same stacks of bracelets and scrunchie on that, you know, have reappeared throughout this video multiple times. As I said, I'm wearing my Chacos, which I'm absolutely in love with. Sadly, I did not get tan enough to get a Chacos tan line this summer, which was an absolute bummer. And that is pretty much it for the 10th outfit. Okay guys, so those were my 10
Vsco girl
inspired outfits. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments which outfit was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Also, say bye.
Okay then.
Bye guys.